Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is on a bronzy, smoky summer look. It's a look that I love for every day or any time of the year. Actually, it just really goes with everything you wear, but it looks extra beautiful when you have bronze skin and you're wearing color or cream white clothes like I'm wearing now. So I really hope you enjoy it. I am only using drugstore products on this video. The only thing that I used that wasn't drugstore was my eyeliner that I used under my eye because I wanted a specific color and I didn't have it in my collection from drugstore. But of course, you can replace any of the products that I used with what you have at home. And I really hope you enjoy this tutorial and that you can wear this makeup on upcoming events or things that you have to do. So if you want to see how I created this, keep watching. All right, let's get to it. So I'm gonna apply primer. Okay, done. All right, that's it, you guys. This is the complete look. I am really a fan of a bronzy, brown, smoky, and nude lip look. It goes with everything you wear pretty much, especially colorful print looks, which we tend to wear more during summer. Really hope you guys liked it. I hope you like the lip trick. You can literally do your lips every day with concealer and gloss on top and look so beautiful. So hope you enjoyed it. The list of products will be down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay beautiful. Ciao.